In a quiet mountain town, a curious hiker discovers that small daily changes, not drastic diets, reshape energy and mood. She starts with dawn walks, a simple habit that nudges metabolism up and makes cravings fade as daylight climbs. Next, she swaps processed snacks for whole foods, focusing on colorful plates that fuel workouts without guilt. Then she adds micro-strength sessions during breaks, 5 minutes at a time, building lean muscle and steady progress. Weeks later, she notices slower, steadier weight loss and a calmer relationship with food, powered by nature.